Hello and welcome to Boxmode tutorials on how to build your online store. In this video, you will learn how to complete the initial store setup, you'll see how to create a website, then how to add a store widget, and finally how to configure the general store settings such as store's name, language, address, and others. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, let's register an account on Boxmode. Registration is simple and requires no card. Just enter your email and password. After you register the profile, the next step will be to choose a template. They're grouped under different categories, but it doesn't mean that you need to stick with a category that matches your business niche. Websites have lots of common components, so any template you choose can be customized on the fly to fit your unique use case. Say you're building a jewelry store, and for this purpose, let's choose this template. Now you are in the edit mode, where you can customize the template on the fly using intuitive tools. We will discuss the front-end customization and design aspects in the next videos. For now, let's proceed with the initial setup. To add and manage store widget, click on the store icon on the left. Some of the templates under the shopping category come with a store widget by default. For all others, to add a store widget, just click on the button, and the store page with the store widget will be created automatically after the click. You'll find this page in the drop-down menu. It will be named Online Store. You will start with a free forever demo plan. It is rather restricted, but at the same time it will be sufficient enough for you to get a feel of how to manage your store. The main restriction of the demo plan is that you cannot actually sell products, and at checkout, customers will be notified that this store is in demo mode. So in order to sell something, you would need to upgrade your subscription. To decide which one will be more suitable for your needs, you can go to the store plan page and compare subscription plans and their limitations. During this series of video tutorials, we'll be using an unlimited store plan, so you can see the full potential of this widget and how it can benefit you. So we have upgraded the store to an unlimited subscription, which you can see here, and now let's switch to the back-end settings of the store by clicking on this Manage Store button to finalize the initial setup. And now let's configure the general business settings under Settings, General. And let's change the store name. Let's specify the web address of your store. It is going to be your Boxmode's website URL with a slag of your store page. So say the URL of this particular website is onlinestoretester.boxmode.io, and the store is located at /store page. So we need to enter here onlinestoretester.boxmode.io/store. And let's specify company name, email, address, and phone. This information is also going to be displayed on customer-facing invoice and email notifications. Before you launch your online store to the public, it is important to go over the general settings once again to make sure they are all set correctly. Now, to make sure that your store is localized properly, let's go to regional settings. Initially, your store language will be chosen based on operational system's default language. Say you're in Germany, but you have English as a default language of your computer, so the store will also be in English. The language specified here is going to be the default language of communication with your customers through automated email notifications, your store interface, and invoices. If you are selling products to different countries, you can translate all customer-facing aspects of your store just by adding more languages. This option is available for business and unlimited subscriptions only. You can also set up the time zone, time display format, and date display format for your store. These settings will be used in data export, email notifications, and customer-facing invoices, thus helping you and your customers keep track of the events better. Your store supports all the official currencies, which means you can set your product prices exactly in the currency you want to accept in your store. You can set only one currency for your store. Here you can also customize the price display format, currency symbol. Depending on your country, you might have different weight and size units, and you can customize them here as well. The unit system will be also used to specify products' weight and dimensions to obtain precise carrier-calculated shipping rates at checkout for your customers. We'll talk about this in more detail in the next videos. For now, let's leave it as it is. So you have finalized the initial store setup, and in the next video you will learn about inventory management. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.